Hook, have you ever felt like you're missing out on the incredible world of investing? Do you wish you had a simple, accessible platform to grow your wealth? Well, look no further. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Newton, a user-friendly investment app that makes investing accessible to everyone. Building context, imagine a world where you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies from the comfort of your couch. A world where you don't need to be a financial expert to understand the market. That's the promise of Newton. Main content. Step 1. Download the Newton app. The first step in your investing journey is to download the Newton app. It's available on both iOS and Android devices. Simply search for Newton in your app store and hit download. Step 2. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a strong password, and agree to Newton's terms and conditions. Step 3. Verify your identity. To ensure the security of your account, Newton will require you to verify your identity. This process is quick and easy. You'll be asked to provide a few pieces of personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Step 4. Fund your account. Now that you've verified your identity, it's time to fund your account. Newton offers a variety of funding options, including bank transfers, Interac e-transfers for Canadian users, and cryptocurrency deposits. Step 5. Explore the platform. Take some time to explore the Newton platform. You'll find a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to search for investments, track your portfolio, and stay up to date on market news. Step 6. Make your first investment. Ready to start investing? Simply search for the investment you're interested in and click on the Buy button. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to invest and confirm your purchase. Additional tips and tricks. Fractional shares. Newton allows you to purchase fractional shares of stocks and ETFs, making investing more accessible. Dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market price. Diversification. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Stay informed. Keep up to date on market news and trends to make informed investment decisions. Conclusion. With Newton, investing has never been easier. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Newton provides a user-friendly platform that can help you achieve your financial goals. Closing. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Newton app today and start your investing journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.